Hi, I'm Eva from miloxnews. Don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and activate the bell. Amazon has agreed to pay over $30 million to settle alleged privacy violations related to its voice assistant Alexa and doorbell camera Ring. The Federal Trade Commission, FTC, filed charges in two separate cases, accusing Amazon of deceiving users by retaining children's recordings and transcripts without proper consent. The FTC ordered Amazon to delete inactive child accounts and certain voice and geolocation data. In addition, the FTC accused Ring of allowing unauthorized access to private videos and failing to implement adequate security measures. The proposed settlements, including a $25 million fine for Alexa and $5.8 million for Ring, are pending approval from federal judges. Twitter's market value has been reduced to $6.55 billion by Fidelity, down from the $20 billion valuation it had in October, potentially making it worth one-third of what Elon Musk paid for it just 7 months ago. The exact method behind Fidelity's valuation is unknown, as Twitter is now a private company called X Holdings Corporation. Since acquiring Twitter for $44 billion in October, Musk has expressed mixed feelings about the platform's performance but remains optimistic about its potential profitability. He highlights: on Wednesday, the S&P 500 Index, $SPX, Dow Jones Industrials Index, $DOWI, and NASDAQ 100 Index, $IUXX, experienced moderate losses, mainly due to global economic concerns. Reports from China indicated a slowdown in manufacturing and service sector activity, causing negative sentiment in the market. Despite an unexpected rise in U.S. April JOLTS job openings, which raised the possibility of a Fed rate hike in June, stocks recovered from their lows as Fed Governor Jefferson and Philadelphia Fed President Harker made dovish comments, expressing support for pausing rate hikes. The debt ceiling agreement reached by White House negotiators and Republican leaders faces a House vote on Wednesday, with pressure to pass it before June 5 to avoid a potential U.S. default, as warned by Treasury Secretary Yellen. Cleveland Fed President Mester took a hawkish stance on Fed policy, stating the need for further interest rate hikes without a compelling reason to pause. However, market expectations for a rate hike at the June FOMC meeting decreased following dovish remarks from Philadelphia Fed President Harker, who suggested skipping the increase. The U.S. May MNI Chicago PMI came in weaker than expected, declining to its lowest level in 6 months at 40.4. On the other hand, April JOLTS job openings unexpectedly rose, indicating a stronger labor market. The Fed Beige Book reported little change in economic activity during April and early May, with slower employment growth and a slowdown in price increases across several Fed districts. Internationally, stock markets settled lower, including the Euro Stoxx 50, China's Shanghai Composite, and Japan's Nikkei Stock Index. Stock movers. Advanced Auto Parts, AAP, experienced a significant decline of over 35% after reporting lower than expected Q1 sales and reducing guidance for full-year net sales. Other auto part suppliers, including Genuine Parts, GPC, AutoZone, AZO, and O'Reilly Automotive, ORLY, also saw declines. Chip stocks such as Marvell Technology, MRVL, NVIDIA, NVDA, and Advanced Micro Devices, AMD, retreated due to concerns over valuation. Micron Technology, MU, Global Foundries, GFS, and KLA Corp, CLAC, also closed down. Hewlett-Packard Enterprise, HPE, reported weaker than expected Q2 net revenue and lowered its full-year revenue guidance, resulting in a decline of over 7% in its stock price. Bank stocks faced downward pressure after leaders at a banking conference highlighted challenges in the sector. KeyCorp, Key, Zions Bancorp, Zion, and Citizens Financial Group, CFG, were among the decliners. On the positive side, Intel, the NTC, gained over 4% after CFO Zinsner projected strong Q2 sales. Verizon Communications, VZ, also closed up over 2% following a 10-year digital modernization contract with the United States Postal Service. Twilio, TWLO, experienced an increase of over 11% after activist investor Legion Partners engaged with the company's board of directors. American Airlines Group, AAL, raised its guidance for Q2 adjusted EPS, resulting in a more than 1% increase in its stock price. Equity Residential, EQR, raised its full-year normalized FFO per share guidance, while Xylem, XYL, received an upgrade from Baird. Market Overview. June 10-year T-notes, ZNM23, closed higher, with the 10-year T-note yield falling to a 1/1/2-week low of 3.612%. T-notes benefited